Veneta quer gu tem esperança para San Nicolas para vir Cambio?
Siguro. É.
Digo,
Ito vai bem back, mesa. De bang espera que o hotel abre e por ter só um cambio.
My name is Earl Levon Sr. I am the sales manager for IATA. IATA is the Aruba Economic Development Alliance. We're located in the CMB, old CMB branch building in San Nicolas, next to SATAR, and across the street from the bus stop. We're at IATA, we're at the development for San Nicolas. And right now, a lot of the politicians are campaigning this campaign season, but we're not campaigning. We're actually trying to bring a change to San Nicolas that is coming. The politicians are promising that they are going to bring the change.
Kiko tapasa ta ku etrado na lo kumisa cobra dollars namin na momento inanan.
The change is already here, and they need to be speaking our reality. Secrets Hotel. It's going to open up next year, guys, finally. And now that it's boasts a 900 room capacity. Single occupancy, let's say double occupancy, we're at 1,800 people. That already creates a flow. That already creates supply or demand. But we in San Nicolas, we're not preparing to maximize or benefit from that flow. We're not preparing to service that business or that flow that is created from secrets. And the politicians are talking about they're going to create tour terminals and cruise ship ports, but we already have something coming that we need to focus on to maximize the flow.
De bang espera que o hotel abre e por ter só cambio. Antes el lugar que abre também pode ter cambio. Ito vai bem. Ter esperança.
Man, open out joke. Lots of folk for St. Nicholas, man, is it? Because right now, the big hotel with them build right now, secret, it bring up St. Nicholas to another 100% level, just what I say. Which is very important for both St. Nicholas resident and both the tourists them are gonna come explore St. Nicholas and see the greatness of St. Nicholas. Trust me.
Our numbers are 733-3300, 734-3300. Or my personal number is 566-1646. So if you have a business concept, you're serious about doing business, you see the demand in San Nicolas for a business. For example, Secret Hotel is opening up. We need at least 10 car rental businesses, just uptown car rental businesses, to provide the service necessary for Secrets. Also, right now, Baby Beach is already full. When Secrets open up, that's going to be another problem. And again, I don't see the politicians, I don't see the people being fully aware of the issues that we're going to face in San Nicolas once Secrets open up, or to try to prepare us. So then Rogers Beach is going to be as full as Baby Beach now, because that's what's going to have to offset the flow. And we need water sports at Baby Beach. We need water sports, we need water sports to supply. So we need a lot of things. We need a dry cleaner. We need a bakery. We need a lot of businesses in San Nicolas that more than one can sustain and more than one can thrive right now just by solidifying ourselves or attaching ourselves to the service of Secrets Hotel. Because let's be serious, Secrets is all-inclusive. So we need to attract them, really put something in place, especially in San Nicolas, now we're the cultural capital, to bring them here. So Miss Wanda, please, I emailed you already. A Starbucks is something that will definitely work in San Nicolas now. And everything else could sustain themselves, because that will create a flow, that will attract a flow, and then from there on, they will trickle around, stop in here, maybe watch a movie, maybe grab some ice cream from Baskin Robbins, maybe catch a little oxtail from O'Neill, then maybe get some coffee from the Nicolas store, then catch some rural shots. So that is what the concept, or that is the image or vision that we at IATA is working towards, to ensure that we don't miss or drop the ball.